This is a 4-pack silicone case by Things Bad, tailored for any AirTag. Fitting snugly, you'll never worry about your AirTags slipping off. Its donut-shaped design with a unique curved handle stands out, and the pack comes in an assortment of 4 delightful colors. The raised rim provides an extra layer of protection against bumps, and its lightweight nature means minimal added weight. Crafted from quality soft silicone, it's sweat-proof, scratch-resistant, and built to last. Each set is complete with adorable keyring, perfect for attaching to backpacks, suitcases, pets, and more. Though it's not water-resistant, so make sure you keep it dry. Also, you'll be able to hear the sounds perfectly well. The 100 protective Apple AirTag keyring boasts a hard TPU design that's waterproof for up to IP68, ensuring 360-degree drop protection. Its design does not reveal the presence of an AirTag, but it might dampen its tones. While these other AirTag holders have a silicone case that connects with a traditional keyring, it lacks waterproofing or drop protection but remains an affordable, functional option for securing AirTags.